Well, hello my loves, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video I have a haul for you. So basically I have never done a haul in my life on this channel, and that is, I think, because I'm not a big buyer. I don't really buy that many things on throughout the year, sorry. And yeah, I don't really buy that many clothes. I just the majority of the things that I purchase throughout the year or every month are beauty related, like beauty products. So I don't really buy clothes that much. But we do know that Zara has sales twice a year. One is the winter sale and one is the summer sale. And I don't know, I just felt like maybe I needed a wardrobe refresh. I don't want to say wardrobe refresh because this haul is not that big, it's like 6 or 7 things. But I wanted to buy some things, so I just I made use of the sales and I just bought a few things, and I want to share them with you. So yeah, basically I haven't opened the box yet. It's completely closed, so I have no idea what's inside. Well, I do have an idea what's inside because I purchased and I chose the pieces, but I haven't seen them. So yeah, you guys, before I actually show you what's inside the box, I did purchase something outside of that purchase but around the same time, so I wanted to include it in this haul, and it's this cardigan. I will obviously insert pictures of trying the pieces on, but this cardigan, it's one of those pieces and I really love it. I think it's so cute. I love the striped cardigans and all, and the buttons, they are gold and they're metal. So yeah, what I love about this cardigan is that it's very classic and very stylish and very elegant, but at the same time it's very casual. It's like a casual cardigan. It's nothing super fancy, but the quality is actually pretty good, and yeah, I really like it, and it was so cheap. And by the way, I don't want to drag this any further, but I will try to see if I can find the pieces online for the majority of you who are in the US and the UK and so on. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to find them because, like I said many times, we live in different hemispheres, so we live in different seasons, and sometimes pieces that are available to me are not available to you and so on. But I will try to do my best to link the pieces down below, or maybe I can find something similar. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with today's haul. Let's go. Okay, first piece, it's a I'm gonna have to give a little context. Here in Uruguay, we're in summer, and most of the pieces that I bought are actually autumn winter, because when you have a sale, the best thing that you could do is to buy pieces that are in sale, that are from past seasons, or that are, for example, in my case, I'm in summer, that are from winter, because you will find very good pieces at an affordable price, or even a lower price than usual, but the pieces are the same and they are extremely good. So that was my intention with this purchase, is to buy things to prepare for winter at a much lower price. So this is a coat. It's, if I'm not mistaken, let me see the tag. Okay, this is a 55% wool and 40% polyester, and then 5% other fabrics, it says. I have made a video talking about high quality pieces at an affordable price in retail stores. Zara, it's a store that we would normally consider fast fashion, so the quality of the pieces are usually not great. But that being said, I do think that if you know what to find and how to find it, you can really find relatively good quality pieces. Maybe you don't find super high quality designer brand level, but you can find relatively good pieces, and they will be at a relatively affordable and normal price. In this case, like I said, if you remember that video, we said that you have natural fibers, and then you have synthetic fabrics, and sometimes you have pieces that are a blend of different fabrics. In my personal opinion, I think that is so much better to have a blend piece, that mixes natural fibers and synthetic fabrics, than a completely synthetic fabric piece. because the quality will be so much better. And my recommendation will always be that if you're going for a blended piece, that the natural fiber is like the majority of the composition of the piece, if that makes sense. In this case, like we said, this piece is 55% wool, and then the other 50%, sorry, the other 45% it's other synthetic fabrics. Yeah, in this case, I decided to go for this piece, and I'm happy with the quality. It's fine. It was not that expensive either, so it's fine. So the first piece is this coat. You will not be able to see it here, but like I said, I will try it on so you can see it a little bit better. And it's a camel coat. I do have another coat that I wear all the time in winter that is also from Zara, and it's also a blended piece, but it's my black coat. It's like long and it has a belt and all, and it's like loose and a little bit oversized, and I really love that coat, so I decided to go for a similar one. I don't know if it's exactly the same, but at least it's a similar one in a camel color, because I really wanted one. So yeah, this is the first piece. So up next, I bought a trench coat because I do have a trench coat already, but unfortunately it has ripped here on the armpit area, and it's not like the greatest quality, and it's, you know, it's not my favorite piece. I've been wanting a coat for a very long trench coat for a very long time, so this was like the perfect time because it was a lot more affordable than before. So yeah, I bought one, and oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you that the coat is in a size M, medium. Then this cardigan is also in a size medium, and the trench coat is also in a size medium. I fluctuate depending on the piece between medium and large, but like I said, it really depends on the piece. Most of the times I will go for a medium, but I don't really like super tight pieces, so sometimes I will go for a large. So yeah, this trench coat, let me check the tag. It was a 65% cotton and then 35% polyester, like the same as the coat. The natural fiber is the most predominant one, so I'm happy about that. I'm content about that. So yeah, let me show you quickly how it looks, and then I will show you the try on. It's this one. I don't know if you can see it. I think you do. It looks good. I love the color though. So yeah, you guys, let's move on to the next piece. This is a blazer. It's a linen blazer, and I'm pretty sure that this one is 100% linen. Let me check. Yes, it's 100% linen. So I've been wanting a linen blazer for a very long time. I think that they are super chic, and they are so, you know, like relaxed and comfortable, and they're perfect for, you know, like summer when it's not super hot, obviously, or for spring. So I think it looks super chic, and I love blazers. I truly love blazers. I don't want to repeat myself, but you know, I don't have the rush of buying something, like impulse buy something, and it's okay if you're like that. It's totally okay. But in my case, as the years go by, I try to be more conscious of what I'm buying. So I try to, you know, take a good look at the composition and how it's made, and if it's a good quality, because I really prefer that, you know, my wardrobe, that the pieces that I wear are, you know, are good pieces, and that they look good, and that they are sustainable, and that they will last me a long time, because my style nowadays is like very classic, so I expect my pieces to last a long time. My style is not gonna change over time. I don't really think so. So I try to buy pieces that are gonna stay with me for as much as possible, you know. By the way, I don't think I've said it so far, but I do have a video talking about how to, you know, find high quality pieces at an affordable price in like retail stores or everywhere. I will leave it up here in case you want to check it out. So yeah, the next piece, like I said, it's a linen blazer, and it's a like a beige color, and it's this one. See it properly. It's in a size medium also. It's a little bit wrinkly because obviously it's linen, but I will iron it. I'm really sorry for like this, how I'm showing it, But yeah, it's the best that I can do. Okay, up next, I bought a shirt, like a button down or button up, I don't know what's that, shirt in a baby blue color. It's this one. I've been wanting a baby blue shirt for a long time. I do have like a striped one that is from H&M, but you know, it's like really old. So yeah, I wanted a shirt to go to work and I bought one. This one, it's 100% cotton. And the thing is that, like I said in the video of buying high quality pieces, is that when it comes to shirts and tops and you know, things like that, it's very easy to find natural fibers. So you know, really make sure to check the label, because if it's not 100% cotton or things like that, it's really like not worth your money, because you will probably find something really similar made out of a natural fiber. When it comes to, you know, like pants and skirts and all of that, I think it's a little bit more tricky in affordable and retail stores to buy natural fiber pieces, but when it comes to tops and things like that, it's very easy. So yeah, don't get fooled. So yeah, this is the shirt. It's also in a size medium. Oh, okay, I don't love the buttons, but I may be able to change them. They are a little bit yellow and I don't think that it looks good with the shirt, but I think that I will be able to change them. Like I said, I haven't even opened the box prior to this video, so I don't even know if any of this fits. Like, okay, the next thing that I bought is a pair of black pants. I have been wanting a pair of black pants, like straight or even a slightly wide-legged black pants for work. So these pants are, let me check. Okay, they are a 54% viscose, then 24% cotton, and 22% linen. Okay, so in this case, the most predominant fiber, it's synthetic. It's viscose, which is 54% of the piece, but then 46% are natural fibers, and they are a mixture of cotton and linen. I know I've said that I recommended that the most predominant fiber was natural, but like I said just a few seconds ago, when it comes to pants and skirts, it's really difficult to find natural fibers, or at least in my experience. Like, I don't know, maybe you see this video and you say like, oh no, I didn't have the same experience. It's okay. At least in my experience, it's so difficult to find natural fibers in pants and skirts. I just thought that this was like the best option you could get, because the other option would be like 100% polyester, and that is not great. So yeah, these are in a size also medium. I will have to see if it fits, I don't know. And these are the pants. Okay, you guys, so the last piece on this haul is a pair of jeans, and I do own quite a bit pair of jeans, but most of them are in like a medium shade, like a medium wash, and I really wanted a very dark wash jeans, so I bought these ones. I really love the color. I think it's so pretty. I'm not a big fan of like the thickness of the jeans. I really like when jeans are like thick. I don't like very thin jeans. These ones are not like extremely thin, but I would prefer them to be a little bit thicker. But I don't know. I guess we'll have to see how it looks on. They are flared at the bottom and they are flare fit, like you see here, and they are in a size 40, which is a USA 8. We'll see if it fits, I'm not sure. And the composition is 98% cotton and 2% elastane, because it's like a little bit stretchy. I'm not a huge fan of stretchy jeans. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the thickness of the jeans, but I guess, like I said, we'll have to see how it fits. And this is how it looks. You guys, this doesn't even fit, even though that is stretchy. I didn't like the stretch of it, I didn't like the fabric, and now it doesn't fit, so it's an immediate return. But maybe it was for the best, you know. So yeah, you guys, both pants were a complete fail, but it's okay. I will definitely keep the camel coat, the trench coat, and this shirt. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, and I'm going to keep also the cardigan, the strapped cardigan. I'm not completely sure on the linen blazer. There's something about it that it makes me not be 100% sure, and I don't really like, you know, keeping things that I'm not 100% sure of. But let me know down in the comment section what do you think about it. So yeah, you guys, this was today's video. This was my first haul ever, so I'm not sure if it's like really weird, and I'm sorry if I showed the pieces very poorly. I will try to do my best for the next haul, which will probably be in like 6 months when, you know, the next sales comes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you know, I hope you enjoyed the haul. Let me know down in the comment section which piece is your favorite and which one you didn't really like. Lastly, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications down below, and you know, I will leave the links in the description box of all of my social media, as I always do. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.